Starting around 25 walk 2024 extremely smooth love elixir in a real sense is exchanging at $65 in term of its Erst rate with a value change of 27% in genuinely most recent 1 hour in a by and large huge manner. SLP in a real sense has a truly all-out market cap of $266,975,743 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $25,929,246, which generally is very critical. This, for the most part, makes sort of smooth love mixture SLP genuinely positioning at 276 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. On the off chance that you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the by and large smooth love mixture cost expectation end of 2024, what will sort of smooth love elixir explicitly be worth in 2024, which explicitly is very critical. Is in every practical sense smooth love elixir a wise venture or especially worth purchasing in 2024, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking? Will SLP cost certainly outperform its unsurpassed high, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge? These for the most part are our truly smooth love elixir cost expectations for SLP's future, or so they truly thought. Smooth love mixture SLP value expectation 2024 as per the smooth love elixir figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the SLP cost fundamentally is supposed to commonly cross a normal value level of $0.86, the normal kind of least value worth of sort of smooth love elixir toward the finish of the very current year ought to especially be $0.04, or so they really thought. Besides, SLP can, in every practical sense, arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $9.95, which sort of is very huge. Smooth love elixir value estimate walk 2024, the especially normal cost of most certainly smooth love mixture SLP could fundamentally go to $64 toward the finish of walk 2024, or so they basically thought. SLP could especially be exchanging around a by and large greatest worth of $65 with a truly least expected cost of $58 in an unobtrusive manner. Smooth love mixture value figure April 2024, the truly normal cost of truly smooth love elixir SLP could explicitly go to $65 toward the finish of April 2024, which sort of is genuinely huge. SLP could generally be exchanging around an essentially greatest worth of $68 with the truly least expected cost of $62. SLP value conjecture May 2024. The fundamentally smooth love mixture estimate for May 2024 expects that the SLP may in every practical sense arrive at a by and large greatest worth of $71 with a sort of least cost of around $65, showing the way that SLP could generally be exchanging around an especially most extreme worth of $968 with the genuinely least expected cost of $962 in an unpretentious manner. Discussing the very normal value SLP can especially stretch around $67 for May. SLP value conjecture June 2024. With respect to June 2024, genuinely smooth love elixir by and large is supposed to explicitly arrive at a kind of least value worth of $66, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. The SLP cost could especially arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme cost of $74 with the by and large normal cost around $169, so SLP value estimate May 2024. The smooth love elixir conjecture for May 2024 expects that the SLP may sort of arrive at an exceptionally greatest worth of $71 with a sort of least cost of around $65, showing the way that SLP could especially be exchanging around an all things considered most extreme worth of $68 with the very least expected cost of $62 in a genuinely enormous manner. Smooth love elixir SLP value conjecture July 2024. The very smooth love mixture SLP cost for July 2024 may in a real sense arrive at a by and large least worth of $69 while the sort of greatest estimated cost really is around $77 in an especially significant manner. The exceptionally normal cost for SLP explicitly is fundamentally anticipated to sort of reach $72 in July 2024, which by and large is very critical. Smooth love mixture SLP value expectation August 2024. The cost for smooth love elixir in August 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $71 and $81, or so they really thought. While the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to be around $74, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Smooth love mixture value figure September 2024. In September 2024, the by and large most extreme cost for kind of smooth love elixir could stretch around $0.85 in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of SLP in September 2024 generally is $0.75 with a typical cost of $0.77, which certainly is genuinely critical. Smooth Love Elixir Value Conjecture October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of genuinely smooth love mixture is supposed to really be at around a truly least of $0.77, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Smooth love mixture cost can fundamentally arrive at an exceptionally limit of $0.88 with the very normal cost of $1.SD, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Smooth Love Mixture Value Estimate November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of commonly smooth love elixir truly is supposed to especially be at around at least $0.81, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Smooth love elixir cost can in a real sense arrive at a limit of $0.92 with the kind of typical cost of $0.84 inursed in an unobtrusive way. Smooth love elixir value figure December 2024. In December 2024, the exceptionally greatest cost for certainly smooth love mixture could generally stretch around $0.95 in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of SLP in December 2024 in every practical sense is $0.84 with a truly normal cost of $0.86. Especially further appearance how on the off chance that you all things considered are a crypto financial backer and considering what essentially is the sort of smooth love elixir cost expectation end of 2024, what will commonly smooth love mixture sort of be worth in 2024 amazingly? Smooth love mixture pretty past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The sort of smooth love potions cost generally has shown a genuinely decent increment of 4.3% in the by and large most recent 24 hours in a genuinely significant manner. From sort of most recent 7 days, the SLP for the most part was in very great vertical pattern and expanded by 15.6%. Truly further appearance how while the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to be around $0.74, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Smooth Love Elixir has shown areas of strength for genuinely of potential recently, and this could be decent and open door to sort of dive right in and contribute, exhibiting that especially Smooth Love Mixture SLP value expectation August 2024. The cost for Smooth Love Mixture in August 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.71 and $0.91. Smooth Love Mixture Value Figure 2024 Facts. What will in every practical sense be somewhat Smooth Love Elixir genuinely worth in 2024, or so they sort of thought. The SLP cost basically is estimated to arrive at a truly greatest degree of $0.95 with certainly least cost of $0.84 toward the finish of 2024, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Does truly Smooth Love Mixture basically have a future, or so they by and large thought? As far as cost, beautiful Smooth Love Mixture truly has a remarkable genuinely potential to arrive at new levels, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking for the most part.